Welcome back. Joining us in studio right now, we have Jazmyn with Love Our Schools. Thank you so much for being here.
Taylor, thank you for having us back so we can get these volunteers on this day.
Yes, so you guys need a ton of volunteers and pressure washers for your summer serve day. And for our friends at home that aren't aware, it basically helps get kids ready or the schools ready for the kids on that first day.
Yes, like we do serve days as one of our initiatives because we believe in campus beautification projects. It shows our students and our staff, our teachers, that we value your education and we want you to have a beautiful place to study, to learn, and teach.
And so we were talking during the break, volunteers, they're showing up.
Yes.
There's some schools that already are full of volunteers, but there's a couple other schools that need some extra helping hands.
Yeah, so thanks to you guys for helping us get the word out. We are so grateful for the community. You have responded, but we still need you, and we need those pressure washers.
Yes.
Because we have volunteers showing up without them, and we want to put them to work. We really need people at Leo Judy's, Acadian Middle, and Drexel. All our schools could use some love, so if you go to the website and sign up, you'll see the schools you can choose from, but if you can choose Leo, Acadian, or Drexel, we'd really appreciate that.
And so I know people at home are probably wondering, why pressure washers? Why do you guys need pressure washers?
So we used to do general serve day, gardening projects. We decided to focus on pressure washing because it has a beautiful impact, and you can see it as you do it. And let's not mention the misting effect. It's hot right now. So the misting effect it has on our volunteers, it's just everybody can have an enjoyable experience while we serve. And it's actually requested by our principals.
Nice. And so if someone out there has a pressure washer that they want to lend you guys, what do they need to do?
You can go to our website, loveourschoolsfoundation.org, and press contact us. If you actually want to sign up to volunteer, click volunteer and it takes you right to our sign up form.
Nice. And so do you know roughly how many pressure washers you still need?
We would love 30 more.
30 more?
Yes.
Okay, so if you at home, you have a pressure washer laying around, or you have a business that has pressure washers, contact our friends over at Love Our Schools. What's that website one more time?
loveourschoolsfoundation.org.
And we're going to post everything you need to know on our website, kadn.com. Let's check in with Adam Olivier.